Hi, in this video I will show you how you can reset the home screen layout back to the default on the Samsung Galaxy S8 or the S8 Plus. Now you can see on my home screen I have random icons everywhere, so let's see how we can reset it. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen and swipe down, tap on the settings icon. In here you want to tap on apps and then tap on the menu key here and make sure you choose show system apps, and you want to go all the way down to the Samsung section. So here we're getting close. So Samsung, so you want to tap on the Samsung Experience Home, tap on that, and then tap on storage, and then tap on clear data, tap on delete, and then tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Now you can see my home screen is now completely empty. It's gone back to the default. So we can from here starting to add more apps into the home screen. And that's how you can basically reset the home screen layout back to the default. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.